How to uninstall AnyDesk in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you uninstall the application AnyDesk on your Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to click on Windows icon just at the bottom of your screen, so it will appear at the taskbar. So simply click on Windows icon. Alright, so from here click on all, and from the section you'll have to just find out the application AnyDesk, and after you find it you'll have to do a right click. Alright, after you do a right click, click on uninstall, and now from this section again you'll have to find out AnyDesk and click on the three dot here, and from here again click on uninstall. Okay, again click on uninstall from here. Alright, tap on S. Okay, so now from this section again check this option remove configuration file and click on the option uninstall. Alright, by clicking on that option, you can easily uninstall the application AnyDesk on your Windows 11. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.